Gavin, you're here from UltimateReloader.com. I'm here at the 2020 SHOT Show. I'm at the Lyman booth talking with Spencer Karoll.
How's it
Spencer,
going, Gavin?
Thanks for being on the channel yet again. You're kind of becoming a regular.
I can't count how many times I've been on one hand now.
So Spencer is an engineer at Lyman, and what I thought we could do is talk about some of these new Lyman products for 2020.
For sure.
I've already gotten a little bit of a preview. This is good stuff. Let's walk through it.
Cool. So yeah, not only are we working on all the new Mark 7 stuff, we're still fully going on all these new Lyman new products. Starting here, this is kind of the new flagship product for this year. It's our new wireless bore cam. It builds off of our digital Borescope that we came out with about 5 or 6 years ago. It's pretty groundbreaking in the industry for what you're able to do for the price. This is the next really evolution of that. Same 20 caliber rod, so you really has a large variety of guns you could go into. 90-degree camera, that really is what separates this from other lower cost cameras on the market. You're not looking down your barrel, you're actually looking directly at your rifling, at your barrel. So 720p video quality for this one, significant upgrade from our previous generation.
Which is actually an accomplishment to figure out how to package an HD camera in a 20 cal compatible rod.
Yes.
That's an engineering challenge, and it gives you a lot more detail.
Yeah, it wasn't able to be done the 5 or 6 years ago that we came out with this, but we're finally able to get it to work. Great thing is you're able just to simply use your iPhone, your screen, your standard Android tablet as your media device. No need for a memory card anymore. You save it directly to your device. It takes still pictures and video.
Love it, love it.
Same 24-inch rod, same deviations actually on the rod, so you can see where you are in your barrel. That's big. As people say, oh, I found a defect in my barrel, but I don't know where it is.
Right.
So you can say, okay, I'm 16 inches in, mark it, come back up, you know exactly where you are.
Right, or where's your gas port on your AR barrel? Well, if you measured on the outside, then you just kind of take a look at those graduated marks and you're good to go.
That was actually one thing that we actually had a lot of people are actually using the Borescope to line up their gas blocks actually directly over the port, because we know it's not 100% and you know that you could be lined up directly.
Yep, and you have a good clean cut around the circumference
Exactly.
of that gas port. Those are all things that you want to check.
No burrs, no nothing.
Yep. Awesome. What else do we have?
So going forward here, Lyman is proud to announce our first new series of dies in about 30 years.
Oh, wow.
We're calling it the Lyman Pro Series. It's kind of a play on words between progressive and professional. After the Mark 7 acquisition, we realized that there was a space of dies that we really weren't involved in. So these new dies, stainless steel construction, they will not rust. All the size dies are all spring-loaded decapping, and they're all carbide. The Pro Series dies are going to have no standard steel dies. All of them are going to be carbide, including pistol and rifle.
Awesome.
First time that Lyman has done a micrometer adjust, and the thread pitch is correct. If you dial in 2000s on your seat, your bullet, the seating depth is going to change 2000s.
Yep.
This also grew for some dies that we never even had to make before. We never needed a hold down die before. Now that we have on-press swaging with the Mark 7, we have hold down dies, better universal decapping dies, case flare dies for pistols. So it's a complete new line of dies for us. We're really proud. First quarter, they're gonna be available at your local retailer, and we're really excited to get these on the shelf.
And I'm excited to get my hands on some and show them in action on these presses.
You're really, really going to enjoy them.
Awesome. Okay, and then we have
Our new torque wrench. So it's an inch-pound torque wrench, adjustable from 10 inch-pounds up to 80. Includes standard torques, T10, T15, 220, T20, your standard Allen keys, flat bits, half-inch shock socket. Big thing we're trying to do now at Lyman is we understand that the customer needs to use these products after they come out of the clamshell. Or the box. So we're really focusing on nice injection molding cases, something that looks really well on your bench for years to come.
And you can stack it on your shelving. That's what I like about like the funnel kit, right? It's all self-contained. If you need to take it with you to load at the range or something, you're off and running.
And the great thing is standard 1/4 inch socket head on the end here, so if you have any other custom bits you want to put in here, you're good to go.
Love it.
And another flagship product for this year is our sight adjusting tool. We've had a request for this for a really long time. We finally were able to do it. Made in USA, solid billet construction. That's kind of big. A good, reasonable price point. A lot of mechanical advantage with this. It's a custom fine thread on this. So you have the ability to push out those tough sights, those Springfield Armories, those SIGs that when they go, you know they're in there. So it's nice, made in USA quality. It should be able to be on your bench for many, many years. A nice one shoe that fits all.
What I like about this is you've probably used the drift punch.
Yes.
You know, in a vise on a bench block or whatever.
I've even cut sights off.
It's not very elegant,
No.
but when you have a nice tool that you can use that's got, you know, a really nice finish. I will admit I'm a sucker for this orange anodized finish. I really, really like the way this looks, and I can't wait to try it with pistols because, you know, it could be that you're removing a sight or replacing it. It could be that you're fine-tuning your windage.
Yes.
You know, this gives you the ability to do that on a micro scale, which I absolutely love.
Yes, we understand sights are expensive, slides are expensive. You want a nice high-quality product to be able to work on your handguns.
Cool. Well, Spencer, thanks again for walking us through the Lyman new products for 2020. You're going to want to make sure that you're subscribed with notifications because two things. Got more SHOT Show 2020 content coming up, including the Mark 7 equipment that we're standing next to right here. And I'm going to be showing these new Lyman products as well.
Yes.
So, what do you think about these products? Drop a comment. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.
Thanks, guys.